Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said, today's Bangladesh has progressed as far as possible because of the cooperation of the countrymen. She also said that the unity of Muslims can thwart Israel's aggression in Gaza. The Premier said this at the opening ceremony of the Hajj program 2024 at Ashkuna Hajj camp in the capital. Terming Islam in religion of peace, the Prime Minister called upon the countrymen so that none can hurt religious sentiments by doing terrorism and militancy in the name of religion. She also highlighted the various initiatives of the government to facilitate the Hajj activities, referring to the government's zero tolerance policy against terrorism and militancy. Sheikh Hasina further said the young society should be kept away from misinterpretation in the name of religion. The dream of building digital Bangladesh is a reality today, added she.
1-2-3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।